July?
And it's Supercar Saturday Florida. Welcome everybody out to July Supercar Saturday Florida. It's going to be a great day. Thank you.
We're here at Supercar Saturday, second Saturday of every month. The best supercars that you will find all around South Florida. But there's more than supercars here. You've got your Vipers, your muscle cars, your Corvettes, even some of your JDM builds. Check us out the second Saturday of every month here at Pembroke Gardens.
All right, so check it out, ladies and gentlemen. We are live, Supercar Saturdays, baby. And now you know it's your boy from Nico Nation. Do what we do. Quick shout out to Man Up because we are live in the building right now. Man Up, put your hands up high.
TJ, can you tell me what we're standing in front of right now?
We are standing in front of the only Blue Glocko STO in the country.
And can you tell us a little bit more about what sets the STO apart from the regular base models?
Yeah, so this is a race version of the Huracan, so it's like a full race car for the street. This is one of the first STOs that actually landed, so it has the carbon package on it. And it's just a super loaded, super exciting colored STO.
It's beautiful. Can you tell us what your favorite part of the car is?
Personally, the color. So I do every Huracan this color, and I just love this. I think most people do these race cars with a lot of stickers and stuff, and I keep them very simple and clean with a really beautiful color ends up winning the show usually.
Awesome. Do you mind if we take a look inside?
All right.
Can I ask you guys a quick question? What are your favorite cars here today?
I don't even know, honestly. We just got here, but I would have to say that Lamborghini up front, that STO, that was pretty nice.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
And the motorcycles are awesome. The Italian motorcycles, beautiful.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much. We're here at Supercar Saturdays, and behind me is a new Maserati MC20, Maserati's Supercar Titan. It is a mid-engine twin-turbo V6 engine, and there is nothing about this car that doesn't look cool. If you're skeptical about the promise of a V6 supercar, this 621 horsepower monster has an insane power to weight ratio. Check out all of this carbon that gives the car a lightweight composite. Can you tell us a little bit about the car today?
Yes, this is actually called the Ultimate Masterpiece by Lamborghini. They badged it that way. It's my 6th Aventador, and I had to buy 5 of them before I got my own color.
Beautiful. So this is paint. It's not a wrap. It's nothing crazy. It's beautiful, obviously.
Thank you. It's paint. It's called Viola Arena. It's the only Aventador in the world that was painted in this color. It's the first time any Lamborghini was painted in this color.
Do you mind if we take a look inside? I see the interior is also completely custom.
And in fact, they promised me one thing that was unique. I didn't know what to do on the interior. And they said, well, you always like the chrome exterior, right? And I said, yeah. He goes, we're going to make it chrome leather. And this is the first time they've ever had chrome leather on the inside of a car. But it says specially made for Brian Salomon, and I said I wanted my name larger than the name Lamborghini, and they did that for me, so that was nice too.
That's amazing.
And this is, I believe, the only car that has multicolored glitter from the factory.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
It's nice, and thank you for interviewing me.
Can I ask you guys a quick question? What are your favorite cars here today?
Probably that Fox body all the way down there, that 86.
Oh, the one with the big Whipple supercharger on it? Yeah, that thing looks fast as fuck, boy.
Yeah, it's fast as fuck.
Yeah. What about you?
We saw clips from Fast and Furious, I like that one.
I think it's over that way. Oh, awesome. Thank you guys so much. We're here at Supercar Saturday. It's July, and behind me there is a Lucid Air. My favorite thing about the Lucid Air is the textile choice of the interior, which is specific to each region. The coolest part about this is because it's specific to each region, there are actually Easter eggs inside of each car that reflect the region that the textiles were taken from. Sometimes that includes navigational skills, sometimes it includes little bears or other emblems inside the car that you may not realize are there unless you knew more about the vehicle. We've got an extra special car here today. Can you tell us about the car behind us?
Yes, this is 2013 Enzo Ferrari, and they made a total of 400 Enzo, and out of 400 they made 10. Out of 10 they made 5 black with red inside. This is one of the 5.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely one of my favorite spec Enzos. And how long have you had the car for?
9 years already.
9 years, so safe to say it's one of your favorite cars then. Is this your first Ferrari?
No, I have another Ferrari at home.
Which one?
The F12.
So you've got like your cool unhinged Enzo and the F12. How do they compare to each other?
Well, you know, for the fast, I drive this one, and the second one is F12. And then if I want to drive for the smooth driving, I have a Rolls Royce at home.
That makes sense. Do you mind if we take a look inside?
It's red, and then I said, well, I don't like red, so I like the black one. And then finally he found this one in Denver, Colorado. So when I bought it, it was 3,750 miles. So this one right now is almost 12,000 miles.
That's
so
a lot.
Yeah. No, it's not for sale. I'm not ready to sell it. And then he said that, well, you know, I offer you $4 million. I said no.
So thank you so much for bringing it today and for sharing it with us.
Oh, thank you so
Really
much.
special.
Yeah.
We're here at Supercar Saturday, and behind me are 2 Audi R8s. Which one do you like better? So you just took delivery of this absolutely beautiful McLaren P1. Can you tell us what you think of it so far?
So far, it's amazing. I've got 2 675 LTs, 765 LT. This is the best out of all of them.
Absolutely. So it's safe to say that you've enjoyed it so far. What is the name of this color exactly?
That's Volcano Red.
Volcano Red. It's absolutely beautiful. Do you mind if we take a look inside? It's July here at Supercar Saturdays, and this month's specialty section is JDM builds. Behind me, you'll see a lineup of beautiful Supras and some Fast and Furious inspired builds. You want to tell us about your build on camera?
G30 900 turbo kit, CSF manifold. It's on EcoTech, fully 85 right now. I'm putting out around 700, 740 wheel horsepower.
Awesome. Have you taken it to the drag strip yet?
I haven't. It's just more a street car, just a weekend thing.
Yeah, well, it's beautiful. Thank you for sharing it with us. We're here at Supercar Saturday. Can you tell us a little bit about your car?
2019 Ferrari 488 Pista.
And you said you've had it for quite a while. How long have you had it for?
2019, end of 2019, so about 2.5 years now.
So easy to say. You love the car, right?
Oh, definitely.
Is this your first Ferrari?
No.
Is this your favorite Ferrari?
Yes, it is. I mean, it's tuned by Gentani. It has a Gentani exhaust as well, so I guess that's what makes it special.
And do you have any plans to track it, take it out, or do you just love street driving it?
Just street driving. On the highway, rip it every once in a while. No racing though.
Never in the state of Florida, always in Mexico racing.
Yes, always in Mexico.
Do you mind if we take a look inside?
Yeah, sure.
We're here with Anthony and his Audi R8. Anthony, how long have you had the car for?
Just a month.
Just a month?
got it, yeah.
What do you think of it so far?
It's amazing. It's amazing. It handles really well. It's got a lot of power. It sounds great.
Is this your first R8?
My first R8, yeah.
What did you own before this?
I had a GTR.
Oh, so a little bit of a change up over to German.
Exactly, yeah. A little more power, trying to go a little faster.
So I've heard you got some crazy plans for it. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah. Right now it has just straight pipe exhaust, but I'm gonna order a twin turbo kit, hopefully in the next few months here, and get it thrown on there and hit maybe around 1,000 horsepower, hopefully.
Any plans to take it to the track, the drag strip, anything fun or exciting?
There's a track day, I think next weekend, that I might go do, but I'm still a little nervous about taking it out on the track since I just got it. So I want to get a handle of it first.
Yeah, absolutely. Do you mind if we take a quick look inside? Another great Supercar Saturday.
Appreciate you guys. It was an amazing day. It was hot as hell, but it was awesome. I appreciate you guys. Episode 2, Man TF up. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. See you at the boatyard. Supercar Saturdays Florida. Exotics on Las Olas, November. See you there. Thank you.